In his opening address at PAS's 63rd Muktamar today, Datuk Sri Hadi said Muslims should never allow themselves to be lulled to sleep, especially in this modern political age. The Marang Member of Parliament also expressed disappointment with some Muslims who allowed themselves to become tools for certain groups, which he described as the enemies of Islam.
Apa yang kita kesalkan ialah ada juga di kalangan parti politik yang berlomba-lomba untuk menjadi penentang agenda untuk meninggikan syiar Islam di dalam kalangan rakyat beragama Islam dalam negara kita ini. Mereka saling cabar-mencabar siapa yang lebih dulu dan paling kuat menentang Islam, seolah-olah menjadi kebanggaan baru di zaman ini.
Without naming any political parties, he also said such groups only took in bits of Islamic teachings and allowed themselves to be used in an agenda to destroy their fellow Muslims. It was believed that Datuk Sri Hadi was referring to PAS splinter party, Parti Amanah Negara (PAN), which is currently working together with PAS's former ally DAP. In his speech, he also asserted that no one could force or threaten PAS into stating their political stand, more so when it is part of the Islamist party's political strategy.
Kita akan terus memacu gelombang tsunami hijau pada waktu dan saatnya yang paling sesuai sebagai suatu panggilan pada seluruh warga negara untuk bersama dengan PAS bagi melakukan perubahan secara harmoni dalam negara kita ini. Tiada siapa boleh memaksa atau mengugut kita untuk menyatakan pendirian. Apatah lagi apabila ianya melibatkan strategi yang akan kita laksanakan.
PAS, he added, needed an approach which could unite the different races in Malaysia and ensure they understood the needs of Muslims to continue with a religious way of life in Malaysia.